Welcome to Best Useful Tips. In this video, I will show you how to factory reset your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra using the phone settings. So if you have Samsung S25 Ultra or any other Samsung device facing the issue like a phone slow down your phone issue, several apps facing the issue like app crashing or paging issue. So you can need to factory reset your Samsung device using this phone setting. Before the factory reset your Samsung phone, make sure backup your important data, otherwise it will remove all your phone data. Also make sure log in with your Samsung account or a Gmail account to factory reset your Samsung S25 Ultra or any other Samsung device. So first, open the app drawer on your device, tap on the settings app. Before factory reset or reset your device, make sure backup. By scroll down and here you can find the account and backup option. Tap on the backup data in the section Samsung Cloud. Here you can tap on the backup now to backup all data before factory reset any Samsung device. You can also backup data using your Google Drive like this. So you can backup it also. Also you can use the Samsung Smart Switch to transfer data from device setup or backup the data. So after backup your all important data, now let's factory reset by scroll down until the software general management on your device. Scroll down. At the end, you can see the reset option. Tap on a reset. Now here you can see the also the backup your data, temporary cloud backup or external storage backup. Now here you can see the reset section. At the end, you can see the factory data reset. Reset your phone to its factory default setting. This will erase all data, including files and downloaded apps on your Samsung device. So tap on the factory data reset. Now make sure internet is working on your device. Now here you can see the all data will be erased from your phone, including your Google account, system app data, settings, downloaded apps, music, picture. You are currently using Gmail account, email ID. So you can see the list of all available data application on your Samsung device. So tap on the reset button to reset your Samsung device to its factory default on your phone. So tap on it, reset button. Now enter your current pin. Make sure remember your pin to unlock it. Now you can see the again factory data reset. All your personal information downloaded apps will be erased and can't be recovered. So make sure backup your important data again. We remember, remind it. Now tap on delete all. Now here you need to enter your email ID password using on your Samsung account on your device. Make sure remember your email ID password or Samsung account password also. Also, if you forgot it, you can use the forgot password option. Tap on it to enter your phone number or email ID to reset the password. So here we enter the email ID if you forgot your password on your device. Now enter the email ID. Tap on continue. It will helpful to reset your password. Now here you need to verify your phone number using the two-step verification. So you will receive the code on your number. So first of all, you need to enter the phone number and follow the process on your device to factory reset your Samsung device. So quite easy to reset or factory reset your Samsung device using these settings. Make sure remember your Samsung account password or Gmail password, or also backup your important data before factory reset it. That's it. If you like it, share it.